Uba polling do hakasngi palay ulo ong ba ka Jingdawa ban Pyntreikam ya ka inline permit lani ka ILP hapo ka Jylla Meghalaya ka day kamat kabla Slem ha kabla rungru ha ka jing perkhat jong ka sarkar ha Kaba ka yang dorba thawan ka Jylla kala shim ya ka way ka rai ba ya ka ILP day ban Pyntreikam ha ka ni ka Jylla ulo ong ba ka sarkar ka hap ban shong ye kren bat bun terli ki seng bhalang ki bla penpaw ya ka sur Jingdawa jong ki ban Pyntreikam ya ka ILP ha ka Jylla ba ulo ong ru ba ka sarkar bagi seng bhalang ki hap ban yakun ringkat.
This is a long-standing matter that has engaged the attention of the government, and you will also recall that the State Assembly has in fact adopted a resolution to the effect that the ILP should be implemented. So I think this will figure prominently in the discussions with the NGOs, because we have to fight in tandem. It should not be government of Meghalaya versus NGOs of Meghalaya. Rather, it should be government of Meghalaya and the NGOs of Meghalaya in tandem, working towards finding a lasting solution and to take the resolution adopted by the State Assembly to its logical end.
KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council